We heard a rumor that said November might be the best time to fish at Lake Powell. Less boats, bigger bites. So we packed up and headed back to Powell to find out if this rumor was true. We settled into camp late on night one, excited about what the next few days could hold. The next morning, we were up before the sun.
Breakfast champions, baby.
Little coffee going. While we waited for the sun to rise, we tied up some lines, hopeful of what this day would bring.
Yeah, well, I'm making the 2-mile walk to come back down here after dropping the truck off. This sucker's fishing.
We were the first ones on the water that morning. We headed south out of Bullfrog Marina, a direction we had never gone before. Welcome back to 8 Times Up. I'm Ty.
I think I'm Chris.
It's freaking November at Lake Powell. We've never been down here in November, so
Or have we been south?
Correct.
From Bullfrog.
Yeah, this is all new. What was it? Eden? Is that what canyon we're in? I think so.
Yeah,
We've been told this is a good time to come fishing here, so we're gonna find out.
absolutely.
Yeah, you're so talkative this morning.
It's early.
This is the little guy. We're on the board, baby.
Yes, sir.
We just stopped. Just stopped. All right, so we found a little canyon, seeing a bunch of shad action. So we're gonna try to troll, I think, this whole section with some rapalas, because that's what's been working.
Yeah.
And see if we can get on some stripers here first thing this morning.
Absolutely.
There we go.
Heck yeah.
Love it when a plan comes together.
Yeah.
A little rapala, shad, striper on the troll.
Well, we just came down the canyon here and saw some structure below, trees, bushes, whatnot, about 50 to 70 feet-ish, give or take. So we're gonna stop, drop some jigs down, see what happens.
There's a ton of marks and stuff around all the trees, so hopefully we can get on something here. Doubled up. That's a tank. Scoop that one, then scoop this one. Yeah! Yes! Boom! Dude, that's a big fish. That was a fun little double.
Yes, sir.
Warming up just a little bit. Got it. On the crop. Not too bad. After a few other small catches, we headed back north to explore some other canyons. We ended up finding an incredible cave, which would turn out to be our most important discovery of the trip. With the sun starting to set, we gathered some firewood and headed back to camp to get some sleep. We were excited about how the first day had gone, but we were optimistic that day 2 could be even better. Day two.
Day two. Oh, just left the boat ramp. Got our bellies full of biscuits and gravy. We're gonna go crush it. Catch a lot of fish on Lake Powell and get probably really wet because it's gonna rain.
Yeah, there's a storm rolling in, so we are prepared for the worst today. But day two, out at sunrise once again. We're going north today, out of Bullfrog, try some different canyons, see what we can do. That is so freaking hard. Got a striper or a wallet. Woo! Yeah. Hell yeah. First thing in the morning.
Well,
Let me get the next one.
oh shit.
Fish on.
I got it.
Get. Here. Oh.
We got a mess.
All right, you need to stop us too. Chaotic. Yes.
Goodness gracious.
That was fun.
I'm like, what is attacking you?
It's too shallow. Let's call it. Boom, boom.
Yeah. Oh, double.
Oh, here's the bomb.
Damn it. Hell. Bobby.
Oh, yeah. Fish on, fish on. You gotta go down there for a sec. Deal with you in a moment. Oh, yep, it is. Oh.
Golly!
Another double up. Another double up for the boys. Here comes the rain. All right, well, the storm is here. So we're gonna go hide. But we just had a heyday. I mean, we caught probably 15 to 20 stripers in a couple hours. It was solid. So now we're gonna go seek some cover until maybe this blows over. Oh, buddy. We made it. We found cover. Oh my gosh, that was an adventure. If you ever come to Lake Powell, the weather can change like that. I'm gonna like make it change you into a dress. Change you into a dress right there. Yeah, important to have backup plans, which fortunately we got lucky and saw the spot yesterday, and it is freaking perfect. Since we're hiding from a storm, we figured we'd tell you why you should join patreon.com/8timesupoutdoors. We try to give away cool stuff.
No, we don't give nothing away except for information and free entertainment.
That's right. But we do send out really cool stuff 3 times a year, like
this titanium cup. So it's got a lid, keep the bugs out, keep your drink cool or warm, depending on what you like. Ty and I's favorite is brown liquid.
coffee or bourbon.
Yeah.
Also, that hat was Patreon. That sweatshirt was Patreon. And this backpack was Patreon. Cooler bag. It's awesome. Came with some koozies, can opener, everything. We try to give away stuff that we would actually use. Patreon.com/8timesupoutdoors. Certain memories, when they happen, you know immediately they're going to be core memories for the rest of your life. This was one of those moments. That's wild. Going into the storm. Gonna go try to see a waterfall. By the time the storm had broke, it was time to head back to camp for the night, eat some dinner, and get ready for day 3.
I'm cooking steak, the potatoes, asparagus, bacon bits, and Italian seasoning. Yeah, all the fixins.
All the fixins.
All the fixins.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah. To be determined.
Fair enough. Morning 3. Here we are. Once again, first people on the water. We only got a few hours today.
Yeah, and then we got to go back to reality.
Moving a little slower.
Yeah, been a long couple days.
But good day fishing yesterday. Hiding from the storm.
Good dinner.
Yeah, had some steaks for dinner. This guy actually cooked them up pretty well. Yeah, we're gonna fish main channel to start today. See if we can spot any boils. We haven't seen any.
I've been coming to Powell for 3 years now, and I still haven't seen a boil. I mean, I don't think they exist.
Here we go. Day 3. Got another fish on. Right here, coming up. I found a hot trolling spot. Uh-oh. Come here.
Heck yeah! Boom! Yes, sir.
That's back-to-back jacks through there, so. Oh, dude.
Yeah!
That was so many fish. That is a colossal school. We're gonna go back through that a few more times.
That's a double up, folks.
And that's a big fish. Recap. We're done. Headed home. Good trip.
Excellent trip.
Got in the stripers like crazy. Everything else was a little hard to come by for us.
You people should help us with that.
Yeah. How do you catch smallmouth in November?
Or
At Lake-
largemouth.
Or largemouth at Lake Powell.
I caught a largemouth.
Or walleye. We had more double ups than I have ever had in my life. The most epic rainstorm afternoon of all time.
Yeah, that was solid.
And my favorite part was, I mean, we were the only boat we saw almost the entire time we were there. I'm definitely planning on coming back to Lake Powell in November. Did you get it?
No.
There's a freaking fly. One more time?
No.
Oh, it's on the dash.
It's on the dash. You can't hit my dash though. It's old. Fragile.
Gonna fly right over there. No, didn't get it. All right. Well, Till next time, tight lines.
Cool cans.
Peace out.